Hey guys, it's Miss Cook here. I'm just going to take a couple of minutes and tell you how to go through this interactive online module successfully. It's not going to be very difficult, not super time intensive, hopefully. A couple slides, like 4 videos, and a quiz, and you're done. Imagine that. So, I think the first 2 things are the videos. The first 2 videos are proofs. Because they're proofs, they won't be covered in the exam or the quiz at the end, which you probably think means you don't have to watch them. I actually think I put in there that they're not necessary since they're not on the quiz. However, I strongly recommend that you do watch them because proofs are so important and they really do help you learn, I promise. So, watch those, not super long, couple minutes each. Also, not super boring, I promise. Pretty interesting, really links together the whole complete the square and the quadratic formula, which is awesome. After you watch those 2 videos, there are a couple slides outlining how to complete the square, the steps involved, stuff like that. Then is another example video on how to complete the square. Then you have a couple slides about vertex form. Then you have another video on how to graph a parabola when you're given an equation in vertex form. So, the way this is set up is since it's a PowerPoint, if there's like something you know, maybe you already know what the vertex form is for a parabola. You don't need to know what A, H, and K stand for because you already know that, which would be awesome. Skip that section, move on. Just make your life a little easier that way, you know? Anyway, feel free to take notes as you're going through this. In fact, I would prefer that you take notes. I obviously won't be able to stop you from moving back a couple of slides while you're taking the quiz. But it would be so cool if you could take notes and look at your notes when you're on the quiz. It is open notes, obviously. You do have 2 options taking the quiz, which is the honor system, so be honest. 2 options. Option 1. You can go through all 10 questions and then check them at the end. Easy peasy. Option 2. On each slide, I have hyperlinks. So, answer question 1, click the hyperlink, it'll take you to the answer. Look at the answer, got it right, got it wrong, figure it out. Click the hyperlink, it'll take you to question 2. Answer that question, click the hyperlink, it'll take you to answer to question 2. Check that out, click the hyperlink, it'll take you to question 3. I know, super cool, super convenient. Check each answer as you go. If you're doing it right, fabulous. If not, go back through the slides, look at what you're missing, finish the quiz later. Not a big deal. At least you know, right? So, do that. Honor system, 8 out of 10 your first time. If you get 8 out of 10 right, your first time, I'll give you a prize in class. Little treat. So, be honest, do good work, and I'll see you in class.